Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization, and I'm going to show you a fantastic way to breathe new life into your phone without any complicated rooting procedures. We're going to install the smooth, feature-rich ASUS Launcher on any non-rooted Android phone. Download link for app file is available in video description. Go into your phone's main settings menu. Usually, you'll find a section labeled Security, Privacy, or sometimes Apps and Notifications. Within that section, look for Unknown Sources, Install Unknown Apps, or a similar option. Tap on it. You'll likely see a list of apps. Navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see the ASUS Launcher app file there. After the installation is finished, your phone will likely ask you which launcher you want to use. Select the ASUS Launcher and choose Always or Always Use this app. This will make it your default home screen. This launcher is designed to work on a wide range of devices, even those running custom ROMs. ASUS Launcher offers a clean, modern, and intuitive user interface that's a refreshing change from many stock launchers. Sometimes, after making changes in the launcher's settings, you might need to force stop it for the changes to take effect. So, there you have it. Installing the ASUS Launcher on your non-rooted Android phone is a simple process that can significantly enhance your user experience. I hope you found this extended tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.